Oh, hey. Hey! What's up, you guys? My name is Delilah, if you don't know already. In today's video, we're going to be doing something pretty exciting. I got a package from Glamnetic. Let's see what's inside. So, Glamnetic reached out to me and they sent me $200 worth of product to try on, review, do a first impressions on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, Glamnetic, for this opportunity. I've been dying to try these lashes. If you guys don't know, I'm also a pro freelance makeup artist outside of YouTube and my regular job. What is a pro makeup artist doing with magnetic lashes? Can't she just do it the old-fashioned way? But no. Sometimes I get really tired of waiting for that glue to dry. Ooh. I got 3 pairs of lashes here. I'm gonna show you guys them individually, but I got 3 pairs of sorry. I also got some press-on nails. I'm really excited to show you guys these Glamnetic press-on nails. And then we also got the Glamnetic Liner. So this is the infamous magnetic liner that you apply as your adhesive. It's gonna make sure that your lashes do not fly away. So let me show you guys the things that I got. Alright, so the first pair is called I Don't Care. You gotta come quick. Your ex is here. I don't care. Period. And this is how they look. The next lash that I see here is called Birthday Fish, and it slides. These are freaking adorable. I think I'm gonna wear these. The other lash is called Vogue. These are cute, spacey, spiky lashes. These are the press-on nails. This one is called Double Rainbow. Looks like that, super cute. This next one is called Aura, and I think I'm definitely gonna try these on for you guys today. This is like a lilac ombre. I love ombre nails. I also got these in Purple Power. It's just a cute purple pattern graphic design. And then this is the Glamnetic Black Magic Liner. So this is how it looks. You have to shake well before use. Oh, this is different. So I thought this was gonna come with a felt tip, but this is actually a brush tip. All right. Now we're gonna do a wing. So, okay, you definitely do have to shake very well, because when I first opened it and I barely shaked it, it was very thick. But now that I shook it up, it's a lot thinner. So this liner, it's dry. Obviously, it is not like your traditional liner. I'm gonna see if I can make a wing with it though. They say that if you need the extra anchors to secure the inner and outer corners, you can do so, but I'm not gonna do that. Oh, look at my habit. Okay, so they say wait until it's 80% dry. Is it dry? That's it? No way. Yo, the way that this is going on, I'm not even gonna use the anchor because I don't feel like I need it. Like, the way the placement of this is just so good. The problem that I'm having right now is like, the way it's going on is perfect. On the whole entire lash, it's perfect. It's just the inner corners, like they say. And even if I do put the anchor on it, it looks unnatural. It looks bulky. You can see it. Okay. There we go. I just needed more of the liner. But this is freaking beautiful. I love the way it looks. So just make sure that you put a nice even coat of this liner. I just want to know if I could put this on top of a liner and just like do my own liner. So I'm just gonna do the same to the other eye. Just make sure that you put enough of the liner on the lash line because it will not stick. You guys, I am obsessed. Look how adorable these lashes are. Oh, thumbnail. If you are interested in purchasing any of these products, I do have a discount code. It'll be down below in the description box. I'll put it here also on the screen. We're gonna move on to the nails. So we're definitely gonna be doing the purple ombre. Those really caught my eye. It's so freaking cute. Yes. I only got one pinky and you can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna finish the rest of these. I'll be right back and I'm gonna show you the end results. All right, you guys, I'm back. Look at my nails. Look at my freaking nails. Look how cute. I am obsessed. I am obsessed. Okay. So this is my review. This is my pros and cons. I'm gonna be very honest with you, very transparent. I want you guys to trust me. I want you guys to believe in me. I am a pro makeup artist, so I do know about these things. I've done makeup, all types of techniques, the traditional way and hacks and everything. But this is definitely a hack, so let's see if the hack is worth it. So first impressions, the lashes are beautiful. These are my types of lashes. When you first see them, they look a little scary for some people that are more into the more natural lash. I know that they do have more of a natural selection, but even with these, they look dramatic, but when you put them on, they complement the eyes very well. I didn't feel like I had to cut them at all. They were the perfect length. They complemented my eye shape, and I feel really, really pretty in these. In my upcoming videos, I will definitely try these out, but I am obsessed with this pair. Overall, the lash application. The lash application was freaking amazing. I really 100% recommend. If you have issues with putting on lashes, this is gonna be your best friend because it just looks natural, it blends nice, it applies very easily. You just do a line of the Glamnetic Black Magic Liner and you just put the lash on, let it dry, not completely, at least 80% of it, make sure it's almost dry, and then that's when you put the lash on, and it doesn't slip and slide, it just clings right onto the line. One thing that I will say though about the magnetic liner, you can go in with this liner like how you would with your other traditional liners, because the texture, and that's something that I'm a little about and something that I'm not used to. The product itself is very thick, it's drying, and I feel like that's because of the ingredients, the magnetic that's inside to help grip the lash, and that's perfectly fine because it still works. I was still able to create a pretty wing with it, but I wanted it to be a lot more dramatic. So I feel like you can go in with your traditional liner and then just go over top with the Glamnetic liner just to make things easier, because this isn't the most fluid line, you know what I mean? It isn't liquidy, it isn't light, so when you are applying the lash, it does give a little bit of a tug. You need to go in and dip, and to get that even line, if that makes sense. As for the anchors, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan of the little anchors that they give you. I just feel like they're too noticeable. They're kind of bulky. I felt like I didn't really have a problem with the inner corners once I figured out how to really get them on there. So usually when we apply liner, we like to go thin and then we begin to thicken. But with this liner, you have to make the liner thick enough with the Glamnetic lash. It has to be kind of like the same width as the magnetic anchors that's on the lash, so it can actually grip to it, because if it's not enough liner, it's just going to be floating on top of skin. It needs something to cling onto. So that's the only thing that I would say. Just make sure that the liner is thick enough to stick the lash on. That is my only con, is this liner, the texture of it. You can't do an easy wing or line with it because it is thicker, it's drier, but that is meant to adhere your lashes. So it's not really a con, it's just a little tricky if you don't know. But definitely if you are a girl that loves to wear her wing liner, just pair this with your traditional liner and you'll be fine. This is perfect for everyone, even for me as a pro makeup artist, because like I said in the beginning, there are those times where I'm in a rush and I don't have time for that glue to dry. And even though you have to wait for this one to dry, this dries very quickly. Like, it's no joke. This is perfect for the girl on the go, the one that doesn't know how to apply lashes, the one that needs a break from lashes, because at one point we all need a break from regular strip lashes and we all need a break from lash extensions that can get very damaging to the lash over time. Next, my review for these press-on nails. I am obsessed. I have nothing else to say. I don't think you understand. I am obsessed. I love these. Perfect length, my style. Love it. I told you guys I'd be doing my Gel X nails, but I think I'm gonna have to take a little break from that because those can get time consuming if you don't have enough time and you're on a busy schedule. These are perfect if these are like last minute events, you don't have the money to get your nails done but you want that professional look. These are fire. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below and I'll see you guys soon.